Welcome to Targeted Email Database. This is Kingshuk here from Targeted Email Database. In this video I will take you through the email database of self-employed people so that you can clearly understand how exactly the data is, what is the format, how does it look like, etc. And I will also tell you how to use this particular data to increase your sales and revenue to a multiple times within a very short span of time. But at first let me show you the data. Let me copy the file and paste it here. Now this is the exact exact file which you will get after you buy and download the data from our website www.targetedemaildatabase.com. This is the exact file which you will receive. The data is in Excel format, Excel 2007 format, but as you can see the file extension is .rar here. That means what you need to do is right click and extract it. Make sure you have a WinRAR install in your computer. If you do not have it, please download and install. It's a free software. Now once you extract, you will get a folder containing the Excel file. Now as you can see there are 3 Excel files in this folder, part 1, part 2 and part 3. So I will open the files for you to show you the data. Let me open the first file. Now this is the exact data which you will get. Now this is the exact file, exact data. As you can see, different rows and columns are there. Different columns like name, then the email ID, the name of the person, email ID, city, company name, profession, addresses. Now these are the this data is typically the self-employed people like chartered accountants, doctors, lawyers, those who are neither a businessman nor a salaried working individual. They have a self practices maybe, or maybe they are the freelancer, whatever. So this is basically this kind of a data. And you will get various professions here, like you will get doctors, chartered accountant, lawyers, freelancers, photographers, or different kind of self-employed professions you will get out of here, different sort of consultants. Okay, and this data is really helpful if you are trying to promote something related to part-time job offer, affiliate marketing offer, multi-level marketing, MLM marketing, or different kind of business proposals, small business proposals, franchisee. So for this kind of a product, if you are trying to promote product or service, if you are trying to promote, this data is really helpful. Apart from that, you can also use this particular data to promote different kind of other services like real estate services, or different kind of financial investment services, okay, or maybe travel. And this is basically mid-high income group data, so you can promote credit card, cars, travels, luxury products, lifestyle products, home decors. This kind of products also you can easily promote through this data. And as well as the business promotions, like as I said earlier, different kinds of part-time job offers, business proposals, multi-level marketing, etc. And as you can see in this first file, we have approximately 60,000 records. Yes, the total is 60,000 records here. I will scroll down through this data slowly so that you can understand. Now this is the data file. As you can see, the name, email ID, city name, the company name for which they are working or maybe associated, whatever, their profession or their address is also mentioned. So like that you will get in almost all the 3 files you will get in this kind of a format. And this data is already being used by many of my clients, and they are already receiving the benefits. The total data size is approximately 1.5 lakh, and one of my clients, they have converted approximately 180 new clients from the 1.5 lakh data. So you can really understand, even if you convert a very small percentage, say 0.1% or 0.5%, not even 1%, 0.5% or 0.1%, then also you will get a good number of conversion out of this data. And let me tell you, 0.1% or 0.5% is nothing extraordinary. You can easily do that. You can comfortably do that if you follow the standard practices of email marketing, like regular follow-up, providing value-added content. You can easily do that. People are doing it, have done it in past. You can also do that. It takes some time. That might take 2 months time, 1.5 months or 2 months time, but ultimately you can get that much of a conversion. If you are focused to your goal, if you are concentrated to the fine percentage, definitely you can ultimately achieve the percentage. And in the process, by achieving a small percent or 1%, you will ultimately get a good number of conversion and also a good amount of business. So you can understand in B2B segment, 170 new clients or 180 new clients is really a huge boost to your sales and marketing, that too within 2-3 months of time. Another of my client from Pune, who promote real estate products, they use this data, converted up new clients, 130 new clients in real estate sector. You can really understand how big boost it is to their sales and marketing with a very short span of time. Okay, so like that you have to be focused on a particular percentage. I suggest email marketing is always a volume game, where you send emails in bulk, you shoot emails in volume bulk, and convert a small percentage, and in the doing that on the process you can get a good number of conversion. The more volume is, more likely you get good results. So this is how the data is. As you can see, I have scrolled down almost to the bottom of the file. Okay, I will open 2 other files also for you to understand. Okay, this is how the exact data is. This is a part 1, and I have total in we have 3 parts in this data. I will show you the other 2 parts as well. Now let me open this one also, part 2 file also. Now here also, as you can see, almost same format, the name, the email ID, company name, profession, addresses, etc. Here also the same format. I am scrolling down through this data slowly. So I suggest you do your math beforehand your campaign. Okay, fix a small particular percentage, calculate your ROI. So small particular percentage, just fix it and be focused on that. The more than the data, what is more important is how you use the data. Same data can be used by 2 different person, and one person can convert 0.5% of the data, another person can convert 2% of the data. So it all depends how well you use the data. It's not about the data only, it's about how you usage of the data also. So be focused on a particular percentage, do the standard procedures of email marketing. Okay, stick to it, and ultimately within 2-3 months of time, I'm sure you will get a good result. If you use this data well, this data has a great potential to yield a very good result for you. Now, so this is how the data is. As you can see, in this file we have approximately 63,000 records. Yes, 63,000 records here. And there is another part also, part 3. I will also open that file for you. Let me open that one as well to show you. Yes, this is the part 3 file. Yes, as you can see, here in file we have some doctors database. Okay, the name of the doctor, email ID, then the specialization, designation, city, addresses, etc. This also be used, this doctor database can also be used, this particular file can also be used to promote anything into healthcare. Okay, maybe for the pharmacy or alternate medicine, etc. For that purpose also you can use this particular data. Freelance self-employed database is typically used by network marketers and the people who promote different kinds of alternate medicine, herbal medicines, herbal products, beauty products, cosmetics products. For that kind of products also this particular data is also very much helpful. So this is how the data is. As you can see, in every record you will get the email ID and the name. Email ID and name is the main attribute of this data. We call it the main attribute in the data. So every record will have these 2 fields. Okay, the address and city column is also here. So at any point of time, if you want to target a particular city, you can also do that just by filtering the city column in the Excel. So this is how the data is, and I wish you will use this particular data to increase your sales and revenue within a very short span of time. I wish you will multiply, you will be able to multiply your sales and revenue through through this data. If you think this particular video is helpful, then please feel free to comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.